Hello and welcome to the sixth session of learning Gregg Shorthand. So far we have completed 5 sessions. We started with consonants, then we covered vowels in 2 parts, O and U group, then A and E group. After that we learned diphthongs, and in the last session we covered blended consonants. In today's session we are going to learn the main consonants along with their common word forms. These are very important because they help us write faster and more efficiently. So let's begin. So first of all, I'll write the character, then I'll write this sign or outline, and then we will see which words are formed using these characters, right? First of all, I write K, and for that we have the sign K, if you remember from the first session, and the words that this particular sign represent is the word can. Whenever you see this symbol, this sign written in Gregg Shorthand anywhere, this means can. In the same way, gay, this is gay, right? Longer than K, this is gay, gay outline, gay sign. Okay, what does this mean? This means either go, this can also mean good. This outline, this particular sign, this has 2 meanings, either go or good in Gregg Shorthand. In the same way, we have R. How do we write R? This is R. Opposite to this one, R. What does the R mean? R means our, or our. So whenever you see this particular sign written in Gregg Shorthand, this have 3 meanings: our, our. Okay, next we have L. How do we write it? Longer than this one, L. What does this mean? This means will or well. This particular sign has 2 meanings: well or will. What sign is this? What character consonant is this? This is L. L sound. In the same way, we have M. How do we write M? Longer sign than N. So what does M mean? M or more. 2 meanings. Same way we have N, shorter than this one. What does this mean? In or not. 2 meanings for this dash. This dash. What is this dash? What is this consonant? N. N sound. In the same way we have T. So T, and how do we write T? T. What does this mean? This means it or at. 2 meanings again. Now going forward we have D. Then we write D. How do we write D? Like this. And what does this mean? This means wood. Okay. Next we have H. H. If you remember, how do we write H? H is just a dot, right? Dot. But the words, these are a little bit different. We have a and an word formation for this dot in Gregg Shorthand. Whenever you see somewhere a dot written in Gregg Shorthand anywhere, this can either mean a or an. Okay, you have to memorize this, right? In the same way, we have TH. How do we write TH? We write it like this or we write it like this. We have 2 signs for that, right? So how do we, what word formation do we have for TH? This can either mean the or there or there. 3 meanings for the same symbol, same sign. We have 3 meanings. So we don't have characters, we have symbols, 2 symbols. I equivalent word for this. In the same way we have E And for E, what does this E small circle, what does this represent? He. This bigger circle, I, this represents I, and this small circle, this represents he. Now I'll give an example. What if I have to write I will go? I will go. I will go in Gregg Shorthand. How do we write this? I is like this. I will. How do we write will? Will, right? Will, well. So will. How do we write go? This is go or good. So we'll write it like this. I will go. Or we can also blend them together, join these two together. This can become I will go. This is also the way we can write it. I can give you more examples. Let me give more examples from this lesson. Okay, what if I have to write I can go? What if I have to write I can go? How to write this? I, right? So we have this circle for this I. How do we write can? K character can, if you remember. Go, how do we write go? Go is like longer than this one, right? I can go, right? If I have to join them together, this becomes like this. I can go. I can also write it like this. I can go. So as of now, this might sound a little bit tricky. This can sound a little bit difficult, but going forward, this becomes interesting and this becomes easy to write. What if I have to write I would go? How do we write how I would go? I is like I, and then would. How do we write would? Would is just the D sign, right? I would, and then go. Go is same, right? But if I have to join them together, how do I write this? I would go. This is I, this is would, this is go. This becomes I would go. Okay. In the same fashion, let me give you another example. How do we write an hour? Where is an? This is an, and then we have hour. Where is hour? This. An hour. How do we write this? An, and we have hour. This is an hour. Simple. An hour, right? Okay, what if I have to show I am not good? Okay, how do we show I am not good in Gregg Shorthand? How do we show that? I, this is I, this is am, this is not, this is good. See, this is I, right? This is I, this is am, this is not, this is not, this is I, this is am, this is not, this is good. You can pause. You can also pause the video and check these out if we are going good. Okay, if we are going in the right direction. For I am, I can join them together. This becomes like this. I am, not is like this, and then we have good. Okay, we can also do it like this. I am not good. Okay, so in the same way we can form different words and sentences, small sentences. These are some of the most frequently used words in English. In Gregg Shorthand, instead of writing full outlines, we use these simple forms to save time and increase speed. Okay, so with regular practice, your speed will improve naturally. So keep practicing these consonants and their word forms again and again. That's all for this session. I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you very much.